Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau Chee Yong. This is welcome to the Microsoft Excel Intermediate and Advanced Level online course. What will you learn in this famous intermediate level courses? Well, you'll learn what is the difference between the relative and the absolute self-reference. Where we design a very easy to understand exercise, right? We have already helped, which already helped over 3,000 students for the past 10 years to learn this so easy. And the next topic you'll learn is to use VLOOKUP and logical functions, condition functions, text functions, date and time function. Next, you learn hyperlink. Hyperlink with the pictures and shape. Topic 4, data protections. You learn how to protect your report so that your vendors couldn't change it or your clients couldn't change a specific cells. You're going to learn how to protect the workbook with a password. Next, in the advanced level, you're going to learn advanced pivot table. Of course, you will learn how to create your basic pivot table. From there, you learn how to summarize data quarterly, yearly, right, based on pivot table. You learn how to create pivot charts, how to change a pivot chart type, and how to use slicers, right? Next, data table. How do you create a discounting table? How do you use go seek? And next, how do you name a cell, name a range, and how did you use these to with the advanced functions? How to use nested if, combining if, index, match function. How do you work index and match together? You learn all this and more. You learn how to use sum if and sum if else. You learn how to use data validation, exploring function formula, all the things, and how to use Excel macro. And right, it's so easy, right? But the thing is that you have not tried it yet, right? Once you try it, you love Excel macro. You learn how to convert worksheet to PDF faster than you think. How to convert numbers to its equivalent English wording if effortlessly. And these are some of the past training with the students, right? They are from Labon, from Pahang, from PJ, right? We have done a lot of training. And this is what you're going to receive, right? Once you make a payment, you have the immediate level videos, right? You see all these are recorded carefully, right? And next, you have the immediate exercise. You can follow along, right? All these are numbering, right? The exercise help you easy to locate. Next, pivot table in the advanced level. You have these videos to learn pivot table at your own pace. Next, you can download all advanced level and intermediate level videos, right? Just like that. Yes, you can also download all advanced level exercise files, right? And the time saving shortcut list as well, right? Next, for all this intermediate level and advanced level, yes, 99 ringgit, you get all this video. You can download all this. So, how to buy? Step 1, bank into this Maybank account. Step 2, email to this email address, sivalau.can. And step 3, receive your access link and start learning at your own pace. Tell us your success story. Thank you. Thank you very much. We are from bottom of my heart. Thank you. May you be healthy, joyful, and rich in every area of your life. Ken Lau and family. Creative Vice and Bats is founded by Kent Lau. We have trained over 3,000 corporate staff to use Excel effectively. Now, for the first time, we're offering that. And really, thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you for learning with us. Thank you.